Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Kitchen Utensils Set. The iBuy'em Kitchen Scissors All-Purpose Heavy Duty Kitchen Utensils Set is an essential addition to any kitchen, expertly designed to meet the demands of both casual cooks and culinary enthusiasts. With a sleek and modern aesthetic available in black, red, and black gray, these scissors are not only functional, but will also complement the decor of any kitchen space. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel, the scissors feature a brushed finish that enhances durability while providing a smooth blade edge. Measuring 8.66 inches in length and 3.93 inches in width, they are conveniently sized for easy handling and storage. Weighing just 0.2 pounds, these scissors are lightweight yet robust, making them suitable for a variety of tasks. One of the standout features is the ambidextrous hand orientation, which ensures that these kitchen scissors are comfortable to use for both left and right-handed individuals. This inclusivity is a thoughtful design choice that enhances usability for everyone. The straight blade edge is perfect for a range of applications, from cutting through meat and poultry to snipping fresh herbs or even opening packaging. Eggcentials Poached Egg Maker. The Eggcentials Poached Egg Maker stands out as a highly functional and user-friendly kitchen tool designed for egg enthusiasts and casual cooks alike. With a polished finish and a compact size of 8.5 by 8.5 by 2.5 inches, this egg poacher fits easily into most kitchen setups while maintaining aesthetic appeal. Weighing in at just 3 pounds, it offers a solid feel without being cumbersome. One of the key features of this poached egg maker is its capacity to cook up to 4 perfect poached eggs simultaneously. This is ideal for families or anyone who enjoys hosting brunches, allowing for efficient meal preparation without compromising on quality. The tempered glass lid not only retains heat effectively, but also provides a clear view of the cooking process, enabling users to monitor the eggs without lifting the lid and losing precious steam. In terms of maintenance, the Eggcentials model is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. This is a significant advantage for busy individuals who appreciate convenience in their kitchen gadgets. Its oven-safe capability adds versatility, allowing users to explore various cooking techniques and recipes beyond just poaching eggs. Digital Food Kitchen Scale. The Digital Food Kitchen Scale by Techcity is an impressive tool that has quickly garnered a reputation for its accuracy and functionality. With the dimensions of 7.3 into 5.7 into 0.6 inches and a weight of just 7.5 ounces, it's compact and lightweight, making it easy to store or transport as needed. Designed for user convenience, this scale operates on 2 AAA batteries, which are included, ensuring that users can get started right out of the box. The sleek, modern aesthetic of the scale makes it a stylish addition to any kitchen, while its glass platform allows for easy cleaning and maintenance. The performance of the Digital Food Kitchen Scale excels in providing precise measurements for a variety of ingredients, catering to the needs of both novice cooks and seasoned chefs alike. The clear digital readout is easy to read, and the scale features a smart Auto Zero function, which allows for accurate measurement without the hassle. NewWave Duet Electric Pressure Cooker. 50-in-1 multifunction cooker. Comes with 3 removable lids for a variety of cooking functions, including air fry, pressure cook, combo cook, slow cook, grill, roast, sear, saute, and more. 300 one-touch presets and 150 memory slots make it easy to cook professional meals. 6 mins to a perfect dish. NewWave Electric Pressure Cooker employs dynamic pressure control technology, max making 200 pressure adjustments to maintain continuous boiling, thus maximizing nutrition and 20% tastier flavor release. With 80 kPa max pressure, cooking speed is 70% faster than others. Tender and crispy Praski Professional Blender. 2024 grade powerful blenders for kitchen. Praski blender for smoothies with powerful 3.0 horsepower motor, which reaches speeds of up to 25,000 RPMs min, faster and stronger, Blenders feature an enhanced 6-leaf sharp blade, which can easily crush ice cubes, vegetables, and fruits. Powerful blender for smoothies and shakes are effortlessly available with just a twist. Large capacity and perfect choice. The smoothie blender includes a 68-ounce container, crafted from BPA-free material, with a capacity to accommodate 9 cups of liquid and equal to 2 34-ounce on-the-go cup, and making it a perfect choice for enjoying nutrient-rich smoothies when you do exercise outside. It's a versatile blender for kitchen that's ideal for both family meals and entertaining, capable of meeting the demands of commercial, cafe, or restaurant use. Kingac Food Processor. Cut cooking time by 5x. Our mini food processor dramatically reduces your cooking time by up to 5 times. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, this versatile electric small meat chopper makes quick work of side dishes and meal prep, grinding, chopping, blending, and mixing, all at the push of a button. Experience faster, simpler cooking with one powerful, all-in-one tool. Robust 500-watt all-copper motor. Our meat grinder is equipped with a powerful 500-watt all-copper motor, engineered for exceptional grinding efficiency and extended lifespan. This high-performance motor delivers smooth, consistent results, making it ideal for processing. Ninja Air Fryer Pro 4-in-1. Air Crisp Technology. 400 Bros superheated air surrounds food for hot, crispy results with little to no oil. Large capacity. The 5QT non-stick basket and crisper plate fit up to 4 pounds of French fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings. 4-in-1 functionality. Air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. Guilt-free fried foods. Up to 75% less fat than traditional air frying methods. Tested against hand-cut deep-fried French fries. Frozen to crispy. Cook frozen foods in just minutes. Number 1. Full-Star Vegetable Chopper. The original Pro Chopper, our superstar veggie slicer, has been creating waves on TikTok. Simple to use, set up, and clean. Save time and energy during meal prep with our OG vegetable chopper. Chop, slice, and dice your ingredients like a seasoned chef. Easy meal prep with rust-resistant blades. Our vegetable chopper is perfect for anyone who wants to eat healthier but doesn't have a lot of time to spare. Noalto reusable K-Cups and coffee pods. The Noalto reusable K-Cups and coffee pods stand out as an excellent choice for coffee enthusiasts looking to reduce waste while enjoying their favorite brew. Made from high-quality stainless steel, these K-Cups are designed for durability and longevity, offering a sustainable alternative to single-use coffee pods. Measuring 1.42 into 2.08 into 1.73 inches and weighing just 2.12 ounces, the compact size ensures easy handling and storage. The product's basket shape is thoughtfully engineered to maximize extraction and flavor, allowing users to experience their coffee at its best. With a strong customer rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars based on nearly 14,000 reviews, it's evident that many users appreciate the convenience and efficiency of this product. Furthermore, its popularity is reflected in its ranking as the #1 in reusable coffee filters within the home and kitchen category on major marketplaces. The Noalto reusable K-Cups are compatible with a variety of coffee makers, making them a versatile addition to any kitchen setup. The simple design ensures easy filling and cleaning, allowing users to switch between different coffee blends without hassle. Kitsur Large Dish Drying Rack. Extendable Rack. Kitsur Kitchen Dish Drying Rack with an extendable design can be adjusted to fit different kitchens. It measures 19.2 inches to 26.7 inch in length and from 12.9 in W, 5.9 H. Therefore, you can just adjust the extendable tray as you need. Convenient drainage. Kitsur Dish Dryer Rack is equipped with a drain board to gather excess water and a water outlet to lead the water to the sink. The water outlet can be adjusted to suit different sinks. Rustless and fingerprint-free. Made of premium material, Kitsur stainless steel dish drying rack is free of rust and fingerprints. You can clean the dish dryer rack easily by rinsing it under the running tap and letting it air dry.